Wow, this place is kind of impressive. But that smell. That smell. Because I'm in prison. I'm sorry. I know it's not pleasant, okay? But I do have some good news. Is it about my appeal? Well, it Frankie asked me to dinner tomorrow at Travolo's. The Italian place. What was happening? Naive. He's having a baby. You know, you're being really negative right now. Oh, I apologize.
Why is it funny?
Probably because I'm in prison.